11, and this is going to be one of my first videos on Animal Jam. So if you're wondering, I play Animal Jam a lot, and my name is Jammer7387211. This is my character. Let's get a better look. My computer's a little bit laggy. Let's get a close-up. I'm wearing nerd glasses and just a holiday sweater. And right now I'm going to be showing you a tour of my all my accessories. So over here I have a pink worn blanket. I have a rare custom top hat. It's a all magenta top hat, and it's the Diamond Shopper one. Then I just have a random rare blanket, which is a rare item Monday. Then a rare superhero mask, also a rare on the Monday, AJ wristband, a brownish bow, rare bow and arrow, not rare bow and arrow, just a bow and arrow, and a kinda tealish color holiday sweater, red Jamalde scarf, 2 random necklaces, nerd glasses, and then a brownish peach holiday sweater, a phantom mask, a minty Jamalde scarf, a spring worn blanket, what is that? Oh, a patched hat, and then some round glasses, and a ribbon scarf, the head flower, candy cane horns, pink butterfly wings, a white AJ wristband, a blue butterfly hair bow, a yellow old hood, a freedom hat, a tie, a rare polka dot, another tie, a top hat, a blue top hat, cat ears. And then over here I have Mike Angel wings, 2 Mike Angel wings, an eagle hat, some more random stuff, and the rest is just pretty much some random items that are just pretty boring. So that's that. And this is my trade list right now. I have the blue top hat, magenta custom top hat, nerd glasses, the 2 holiday sweaters, the Jamalde scarf, moon dirt, the claw, tan carpet, fly trap, and a giant panda plushie. So that is a little character on Animal Jam, and I've been playing for about 5 years now, but I just started playing again recently. Tomorrow I will be playing Animal Jam around 3 o'clock, and I will be doing a giveaway, so around 3:20 something, or maybe 3 o'clock, I will be doing a giveaway. I don't know what I'm going to be giving away. Probably top hat and some Den Betas. So if you want that, just subscribe to my channel and meet me on Animal Jam. Once again, my name is Jammer7387211. I play this a lot, so most of the time I'll be on. If you'd like to donate to me, I'm sorry, but you cannot gift me. But if I'm on, you could trade me. I don't know. I'll normally probably have 1 random item in trade. If somebody wants to donate to me, that would be great, because I'm trying to work towards a long, so I could do a long spike collar giveaway. So please like and subscribe to my channel, and enjoy, and goodbye.